just in time. He was about to read a rhyming story. Lonnie told me. I'll start the story. You can add the rhyme. Remember, a rhyme is a word that has the same sound as another word. Ready? There once was a fox who had pink spotted fox. Yes, fox. Rhyme with style. He was friends with a goat.
Boat.
Boat. Goat and boat rhyme. Great job. Now our rhyming is done. Thanks for joining the fun. Coming up next, it's Superwise.
Superwise, funded by a cooperative agreement of the U.S. Department of
Wow,
Education and
good
the
job.
Corporation for Public Broadcasting.